What's up my people? Welcome back to the channel. Leave a like and also subscribe. Click the top bell icon to get notified whenever there's anything new on the channel. So we have a bunch of things we are going to share with the people. Annie and our new man, he come like a long time them lock in with people. He look like say a long time them a date. He look like a long time them there to how them a move, and he look like say this are the way with everyone in any relationship them. You see me I say like when she find a man where she interested in her, she just go full force. I don't even take time to get to know the person. You see me I say because I see him thing with the previous relationship and the man we left you know. I see him thing I go on with this a new man here. You see me? We don't know when animate this man here. I can't just yesterday animate the man because I yesterday people me I tell us me have to laugh to us. I yesterday them meeting our people and the relationship reach yes so already the man over and the yard that help build up us you know. How the blood clot do with people yo. Me I tell us there be things yo and a drama you know my people. But we are gonna get into everything. We also have the lion man my people. And the ex-man, him rub Annie and him rub the lion man wicked, tell him to go suck out them mother and one bag of something. So me I say, we are going to get in at that. And here with the lion man, do me people, the lion man had Annie, new man, and our ex-man pan live. Oh no wait for see that, because me I go to that. So we have Rosalie my people. Rosalie kind of break down pan live when she talk to a woman and the woman I tell her the things them and certain things when them a go out with pan live when them a cuss people and I tell them about them pick me and all these things and re. You know what I mean? And the way the woman break it down, I understand because I've been a person that always been saying, yo, me don't like when them bring, especially the kids, them in them argument and I talk about the youth, them, me don't like it none at all. You see me I say? So we have these people, these things and more for share, so we are going to get in at it.
Oh, it was so serious until I decided to do my little research. Because you know how we do it, you know. When we hear some things, when we are Jamaica, when we live in Jamaica, good morning everyone that is coming in. When we are Jamaica, certain things don't matter we. And it's the fact truth. We don't know certain things not set to we. So when we see we baby mothers and we wife we just have pitney and behave certain way, we say they're miserable, we say they chat too much and they're annoying and all of them things. We don't know the signs of depression. Right? We don't know what them are go through inside. Only thing we see is how bad them are affect we and how them are then chat too much. I mean, yo, you're there me about woman and we don't know. Say the woman them are stressed. Depression is real, people, and if you don't know the sign, I'm telling you, Google it and know the signs so you can also read it. You can also see the sign yourself. So when you have a friend and your friend go through postpartum depression, you can acknowledge the sign to say, yo, my friend no good, you know. Me need to help my friend, you know. Me need to seek help, you know. Me need to they by my friend's side. Because we tend to not want to read. Go and read the signs. After we come out of the live, go and Google what are some of the signs of postpartum depression. What are some of the signs of depression? They're dear people. And as me say, the most dangerous one is when you start think suicidal. You see, when you reach to suicidal thought, all bets are off. Hey, you don't feel alive, me I tell? Go read about it. You see, when you reach to suicidal thoughts, all bets are off. So Brooks, big up yourself. When you reach to suicidal thought, all bets are off. Come me tell you, say, the love her pity them more than life itself, but she will harm them, not knowing, not doing it, not even realize that she hurting them. You don't have to understand these things. She will hurt her pity them and not even realize because of what she go through and nobody no realize. And everybody I think if you a joke until you hear say, yo, oh, the news come out, then find her and her pity them in her house dead. And you know what enough we go say, what a wicked girl, what a wicked mama. Why make she carry pity them go give them pa? Why make she never only analyze herself? What she have to do with pity them? Know the signs, people. Ranik say happened to him, happened to her already. Know the signs, people. They don't really want to do it. They would never hurt her pity them, but depression is a killer. So she a cry. She cry out, you know. Nobody not turn on their live, because enough of them man here, you know. You see, enough of them man upon their live here don't even realize what it is. Me she say snap on Jabas. Jabas, right? Jabas were there. And Jabas I say, yo, no mix me up in it. And him not even realize, say, yo, boom, she's going through depression, bro. She is going through depression, bro. And you know, realize it because, you know what I mean, him not focus on them thing there. Mama Tara, what go on? Him not focus on that because him not aware of the signs. Him only can say, no man, no say that man. When she says she feel like unalive herself. Me I tell you, say Jabba's not even realize, say, yo, boom. Like, him probably not even realize the sign when he must say, shit. Like, he just did it, I try to encourage her. I said, no, man, no say that, man. And, yo, it real. She go through depression. It real. Yo, it real. Remember me telling say, real. Jelani, I said, Jelani. Well, yeah, I said, youth. Come on, man, your wife, this brother, and I mean, no divorce, no sign it, so I still your wife. I don't understand how you send my woman to go beat up your wife, brother. What kind of thing that? We don't understand them thing there. We don't understand them thing there. Them thing they no manly move, brother. They can't send woman for are your daughter them mother, you know, bro. Me don't know if you have any other kids, you know. Why would I send her own friends to her house? That makes sense to you? So you say you say this now have nothing to do with you? Because the allegation is that you sent them, and when she call you and tell you, say you tell her to go suck her mother, you send them. And apparently they're not her friends anymore. Me see a screen record with she saying when she called you, you said, you send them, she will go suck her mother. So, me don't know.
Alright, my people, so at first when the girl them did come to beat up D, she did not say her husband send them. You see me I say, but afterwards she did come out and say, I know him, like him kinda instigate it away, I think. Me no remember if I saw she say, but she did come out and say like, I know him, you know what I mean, directly send them. You see it? So me think him really send them, cause you can't have a youth them mother and send girl for your youth them mother certain way. You know what I mean? That is not a good look, no matter what the situation is. You know what I mean? And I don't feel like say they have no postpartum depression. You see me? Me not think so. Me just feel like say a stress we build up in her over the years. I try making it work with her man, and her man them a knock down the whole of the girl them around her, and girl out the road and them way there. His stress build up and mash up her meds. You see me? Because me she get out one at a time, you know. When she did a talk to Jabas, you know, and I said, Jabas, if Jelani way, she a go analyze herself and analyze the youth them. You know what I mean? That is something to take serious still, you know. But I don't feel like a postpartum depression. I just feel like say she want a relationship with her man and him a walk off everything. You see me I say, and she not make it no better, you know, people, because as me tell you enough time, girl bad mind, you know, girl bad mind. You see me I say, once a girl talk how her man deal with her, and her friend them or anybody here, them a go and try it, and the man them a dog, them not go turn down nothing. Because what some more.
And that is why she got the way she did, because of what you said. No, as a man to a man, I mean, hope he is a man, you know, because a lot of us, we are in a man's body, but we mind no manly. And I would expect that you would be a man. And all right, let's put it this way, from a father to a father. Your youth them important. She is important to your youth them. If anything happen to this woman, will affect your youth them. And even though you and I have no indifferences, the fact means you still have to ensure the protection of your wife still, you know, bro. You no divorce yet until you no divorce your wife, you know. You still have to ensure the protection of her where your kids are concerned. Because it now go nice when they start ask you, where is mommy? If anything happened to her. And she's in a state of mind right now, bro, where she start think suicidal, and that's the last thing you want a mother to do. And I know just this, you know, bro, we been a seeing, as me say, as someone me been a seeing, but again, me not really, I'll do it up on the media, me not really take part in a certain conversation, but I saw her cry out, warning. Them start reporting live. No matter to me still. It's alarming, bro. And you have to understand, say, you reach a stage right now where anything where you are do, where you cause harm towards your wife, it needs to stop. It need to stop, bro. Cause yo, understand, I understand the psychological effect what this can cause upon her. You don't understand what this can do to her. Or you don't understand what this is doing to her. He have to stop. He have to stop. He have to stop. Like she can't take too much more. She reach a breaking point where she can't take too much more. And you as a man or you as a father have to realize and ease up. You as a man right now have to reach the space where you know, so you have to ease up now, because she reach a point where she is contemplating hurting herself. I have time for that. Hold on, just give me a minute, please. she in a place where she may harm herself, and in the midst of harming herself, may I tell you, it can be very, very, very dangerous. As a father to an next father, you have 3 daughters, me have 4. With daughter them need we. As men, we have to play that role in our daughter's life. So, no care what you and the mother have, you have to paint a picture in front of your daughters them, where them not see you are abuse them mother and feel it's okay to take abuse. Alvira Wagwan. You have to make sure that they respect you, and in the midst of that, whenever they decide to go out there to date, a man will have to show respect to them because of how much respect their father show them. But if they see you beat, lick, abuse, and treat them mother a certain way, they are going to think it's okay for a man to treat them that way. And Jelani, as bad as things may be, me know to God you don't want to see no man deal with your daughter them the way how you deal with them mother. Cause believe you me know say a hell of high water if any boy touch her. Yo, you start swear already, you know, you have certain things put on already, you know. You tell everybody say you look good in our so when it come to your daughter them, you know. But you have to set a standard for them. You have to make sure so they understand say these things aren't right, but if them see you do it, any man can come and boof them and lick them and treat them and cuss them and deal with them certain way, bro.
I always say, get me a bottle of water, please. I always say, I'll take anything. But when you come from my kids, that's a different category of wickedness in me. So I don't like people talking about kids. Because at the end of the day, I love children to my heart. I love all children. So when people speak on other people's kids, especially in a way that is sexual, I will never rate that. I'm telling some I love my kids them to my heart. I will die like Jesus Christ on the cross for me youth them. Me not take no sorry when it come to them. That's what I'm telling for still a problem. Me not talk out or talk over when it come to me youth them. Me I beg you publicly, everybody with the pan up here, wanna stop talk about children. Because it's just degrading, it's distasteful, it's just not something that should be on discussion at any time. If y'all want to cuss each other, do that. But leave the kids out of it, man. Let the kids grow, man. Let the kids breathe. They don't know nothing about nothing. They're on their way to become doctors and nurses and lawyers. Let them breathe. You don't want that stigma over them. So that would just be my message to you.
Me understand.
So all who me I give you and you talk bad about this and you talk. People need to understand. I don't give Rose for what she talks about or what she's doing. I give her because I see where she's coming from, and I really don't want her to go back there. And at the end of the day, these 2 kids that she got that I've never really met in person, but I truly do love them. I do this so Mama Bear can bring the food back to the chicks. And mothers, if you're real mothers, you understand what I'm saying. I don't give a shit about who cussing who on the app. That ain't got nothing to do with me. But leave the kids out of it. Because when you come for people's kids, whether Rose kids or other people, or Rose going for other people's kids, that's where I draw the line, man.
You've got to be kind of your ear up.
You're not hearing me, I say.
Yeah, we said
You hear me say?
we said look about it. You must spoke me still.
I mean, I tell you this again, public heroes, loud the cussing, brother. You can't hear somebody calling him and not answer them now. Because there are people waiting for you. And you need to stop cuss people. Stop involving.
Alright, some people, when it comes to the cussing of the picnic them, at that part them draw the line with people. Me don't like it one bit. You see me I say whether them want to cuss each other or even cuss all them mother too. Them the people them want to cuss mother. Me not like it, but that can go. But when it come to the local picnic them, that draw the line right there. So because them don't know how it affect the picnic them, you know. and them don't think like it affect them, but them don't know say it affect them without them even realizing either. You know what I mean? So load the picnic them, Regin, load the picnic them, especially, you know what I mean? Load the picnic in general. Make watch some more people.
Of people, stop call people name, don't mention nothing about nobody's kids, because you said something today too about somebody. I didn't like it.
But him started, can't tell me something I was them hungry.
Rose, we are mother. Open the water from the baby, please.
We are feeling.
We are mother. Not because somebody go low, you go lower. Take the high road. Come on, Rose, you can do better. Thank you, baby. Try. At least try.
Try every day. Me try every day.
And not because somebody said you even start. I don't care. So because somebody says something.
I'm putting them hungry. Why you have to? Why? And
that's what I'm saying.
For me, I'm nothing. I want to become something. I want disrespect me. Why you have
that's
to
what I'm saying.
Them hungry? You not do that.
You should talk about kids first. Shouldn't talk about kids. Nobody should be talking about kids. Guys, the Jamaican's gonna come out. It not sound good. It the lowest that anybody can go would talk about kids. Leave the pity them alone, man.
What you mean by my one them hungry?
That's not right to say either, because I want
him. I want them hungry.
You will go. You will go.
Eat. Me I buy gun. Me I buy gun. Now by binds, I mean I gamble, I'm putting them hungry. So I defend my child. You can't tell me I'm putting them hungry. At the end of the day, we are argue over my shenanigans. Or you reach a picnic, you're a man. And you first start them, but my picnic like you're a girl, like you're a mama lashe, you're a man.
And the next thing too, Rose, you got to understand, we all got feelings, okay? And some, our past is our past. And we've gone through that, right? So you shouldn't know someone's past and try to use it back on them. And likewise, they shouldn't know your past and bring it back on you. And the next thing I don't understand, you said, me y'all cuss right now, Rose? I would never tell you about your kids. I would never tell you about your body parts. I would never tell you about Drake. About Drake, get my mind, lad. I never tell you about Jake's. Right? Me and you, Akos.
Yes,
me
at the end of the day, you have to listen, sweet to the bone. Jabba start the argument from Saturday. Me jump off. I left the match. When I left the match, you and Jayden call Annie and start whispering at Annie ears and shoot at Annie for cuss me now. One more me can take as a human being. If I would make them walk over me and be the bigger person.
You know, in life, you see, if people are talking about you, you're not answering them, eventually they gotta stop. But Rose, you see, all of these things don't come through teaching. And with time, hopefully, you'll just understand the concept of what me I try to say.
I understand.
I get it. Sometimes you're going to answer people. I get it.
I understand exactly what you're saying. But you have to understand what I'm saying. I have been trying to do that as well. That don't make no sense. Because when a person decides, say, them are going to live by your name, them are going to bring you down by you, and them are going to trip you apart, that is what they're going to do. You can't ignore nobody. You have to answer up. I better you answer up. Come to common grounds and the argument cease and desist. Them nah go stop telling the things they've hurt to them. Nah, stop. It's not like say your next door neighbor where you can't say a pass and go in your house like you don't know. As them click them live, your name. Box your name. Call them friend your name. It's not easy like that. Me been through that already. People get a class me for 1 year hard. And I shouldn't stop until me firm up my chest and say, girl, me a come for you blood in my eye. Vengeance in my heart. I saw them stay, they will bring you down here, rip you apart, and go and lay personal affairs. Just to tear you down. And them nah stop. I wanna ignore them. Enough is enough. I want me ignore them. Did me not try to ignore them? I just feel like I know when I have the argument, I'm not touch FYP.
Me not this Mika and you see.
Nobody now, this nobody. What we say for these people a while ago?
Don't this her, bro.
But what we say for session with this her?
What you mean what we say? You say something.
Where you say?
Me say Mika no militant in a certain way.
That theater, that said, that this.
Another theater about.
10 person 1 rose, 10 person 1 rose. That the woman I talk about.
Annie, that you talk about?
Annie, Jayden, I said what that you talk about. You're Jayden here when it... What?
Me people, them have a saying what them say, if you lie with dog, what you wake up with? Flee, right? So, and you have to know the type of friends and company where she a keep. You know what I mean? Them are young boy, them go on with themselves different. You know what I mean? Certain things where you put respect in them no business. Them not put no respect in that. You see me? So if you are gonna mingle with them, expect whatever comes. You see me? Because you know how them young people are nowadays turn. Right? So whatever go on, you have to accept it because you involve yourself with them. You see it? So them now go have no respect certain way. So what are some of the time, you know, me people are we kinda you that say misunderstand some things, you know, cause you see our generation and the new generation different, you know. Sometimes the way how them word things and how them say some things, it different from how we that say it. So you that take it as disrespect when them no mean no disrespect by it. You see me? But look what some more.
Yeah, that's him I say. I say no.
Where me I say?
The brighty.
Where me I say? No, me not.
You can't. Him can't set me
I go make money like this. Far from the tree. Brother, be this thing when I come with, bro. Bro, hold the phone here. Be this thing.
John, dog.
Yo, Jayden, mix up the dog.
Brother, me not, bro.
Yo, you mix up your foot, dog.
Boy, I was shitting a pot.
Yo, police, how we on the dog?
You mix up, bad man.
Mix up with what?
Oh, you mean, can you want to come chat and I go like you not chat? I chat.
Me not chat, no, brother. Me not.
Clown, look like my country boy. Brother, give them a phone. Can you say look like you don't know what to say?
Brother, yo, John, dog. Yo, what Jabas say, dog?
Yeah, Jabas.
Yo, John, dog. John, my youth. What is you getting on my youth? Yo, give me a Kai phone. Give me a Kai phone, dog. Let me talk to me. Talk to me, dog. Police have something in my house and I come set me up with my family them in a dog. To your police, we not done kick you out already, man.
Well, if you get cancelled a long time, Jayden shouldn't add him to your live. You see me? I make you look up at him while keep on a walk and a call up and a come talk like say you're after a man style me, you might go talk about apple and a fall for what kind of mama? Talk about him. Whole community knowing dirty mama. Yeah, I want to go. This is a dirty boy I can style up people are shitting in your house.
Don't this none of them, bro. You're wrong, bro.
Brother, me chat and you say what you mean, me not this them.
Believe me, see pussy. Let him down.
Yo, and you know what?
Boy like that can come over here suck on this blood clot people who are shitting in your blood clot house. But talk about your mother with the neighbor. Your mother where you talk about what will be a blood clot neighbor. That nigga if you go talk about. If you go talk about your mother, him see man and chat about your own mama. Where you own a mama will be the neighbor. Where have a shop next door. Pussy, what I want to live good in our blood clot community. But talk about your mama where you say you own a mother for dead. And that you talk about you want a blood clot, mother.
Annie.
You see me?
Annie.
You man next door for run.
Annie.
Whether that's easy, man, you shouldn't have that batty
Annie,
boy.
you reach why me add him because you never in ice cream. You never in ice cream, that's why me add you. I died the day in ice cream, that's why me add him.
So why you put... honestly, well, this got... For LD in a page and have somebody like that over here, so... You see me? Batty boy when no beard, much days that the batty boy don't no beard, that come on social media, can tell people say me no beard. Thinking boy where every time me and me bubble gum, me and me blood clot, winter fresh, me go tell people say every day, me and winter fresh. Me have rotten teeth and him have blood clot, rotten teeth in him bumble ras clot mouth. Me can talk a blood clot shoot, him can talk it shoot. That the thinking blood clot boy, they when I brush him blood clot teeth, look on him teeth. If you think I lie, me I tell times if you take off your blood clot filter everything and look on him blood clot mouth. You see me? I me still make your blood clot kiss me body man. So if you me more thing for you, more thing to drunk bro. That me I tell you. In your shit up blood clot shop. Dog shit. Calm down. Know that. All this.
Mika then. Mika! Watch out, she don't want to talk, you know. She hear me a call her, you know, don't want to talk, you know. Audio.
No, do me.
Don't know, dog.
Me no feel no way because keep the police on nobody. You can't make me feel bad.
Arm to TikTok police, man.
Jayden, I hear man did over there now.
I don't. Me don't do nothing, bro. What me do?
None of my business. It's not mix up with you.
Me add him because the dog alone did in the screen, bro.
You want over here? You want Jayden? You want TikTok police over by your page? Tell the man straight to that page, so you don't want that them on the on your page. Nobody don't want them on your page, Jayden. You see, we were really know him. You see, sorry if me get so ignorant. You see me, but me hurt, Jay. You see, we were really know him, Jay. I know what he do. We don't want to see the pussy. You see me? You see, even if no, that rag smell like pum pum. You bother with that.
Like pum pum. Why rag smell like pum pum?
Look here, focus. What me I say to you, we don't want that nigga they know we're running. You see, it hurt me for true, Jay. Jay, me love the nigga for true, and ain't no fake things. Me love the man for free. You see me? So you come here, son, and come style and come talk about him make you get Mika. He can't make you get Mika. Who him, man?
No, I'm tell her. If Mika never like me, him could say Mika to me. Bro.
None talk,
bro.
Not even me. Amika do that for her.
Amika do that for her own, bro. I try.
See me?
I will not try to do it again. Me, that try to do it, but she not let me.
Oh, I'm not busy about that, the party. Right? So, in the day, Jayden, you see, what if a joking thing, if you really rate me, bro, don't add him, no way.
No, man, me not add him because of that. Because me not see, you say I got did something. You say I see LD now in the screen alone, you see it. So, that's why I add him. We never see him on the screen, bro.
About don't want. LD no want him over here? When I prank her, we know they fit true. LD no want him over here. You know the reason why LD no got me? Because LD no see how they look about the boy deal with me. You see me?
Yeah.
Right?
People, wanna see how social media mess up and toxic? I wonder if you wanna see. Social media is devil, you know, especially TikTok, you know, people. Look how Annie and this man good and I go on good in them good relationship, and look which part it reach now. Look what go on here now. People, me I tell you say yo, I'll do when it come to relationship still, you know. When it get rocky or when it mash up at the worst side of people you see, and it get very disrespectful. You know what I mean? But you see the lion man, I want to instigate and him play enough role in them something, you know. Because remember, you know, him and Jabas did go back and forth and set up the argument them, you know. So him, you know, by adding this youth here and a new man and one bag of something cause this for go on. Boy, may I tell you, him forget blame to, you know. I not just the youth him forget blame. You know what I mean? Him forget blame too. Make me know what to think with people. I watch some more.
I will batty boy did me. I LD not decide say yo boop so mama you deserve better. You get to me and say and the man come link me and say yo rope. Me go run and look up prank and Ray and just enjoy yourself. You see what me I say Jay? If you really rate me, Jay, me I tell you, never ever even chat about that boy there with my name. Yeah?
Oh.
And me should have licked him in a bumbo clad face and bust up in his face before me left. And that me I tell you, and it grieve me say me never do it.
So so Annie, me ask you something. If me and Jabas are friend, right? And Jabas fuck up your head, and me and you are friend, right?
Yeah.
You don't want me stop talk to Jabas?
No, I did not say to stop talk to Jabas. I would have wanted to do that. What I would want you to do is not bring the person. We never want to hear the person voice. We don't want him no way.
Okay.
Around me. You know me earth by that person. So me think you'd have considerate knowing said, oh God, I don't want to deal with this. I don't have nothing to do with this. You get what I
But me and police are not friend. Police go suck out your mama. Me and police are not friend. Me only chat.
Suck out your man.
Me only chat to police because I own you know.
You know man. Me know.
So me and police are not friend.
Guys, look here. We don't want to change my vibe, man. We have a good vibe from today. Right now, a river we are
But if you're police, go back. Me and my friend.
Jeez, Wally, take it for. Take it for this bomb hole and not change.
Yeah.
What a easy attack.
What now do now?
Where get ready for go up on the river?
Oh yeah. So hold on. You go lift them man there on the so with that.
No. We got river, we have a car and everything, so we just have to pack up and go river, dude.
So, but them man did their work.
Remember said them I steal man enough, so them I do them thing. Me not go steal them. We just give them everything what they want. Me buy food them everything what they want.
So you trust them to stay out and work and so?
Remember say Alex no go out, you know. Alex no go nowhere. Alex they here.
I love river so. You buy a river.
Me didn't go river yesterday, Jay. I got one pool.
Oh, pool.
We got a pool and the pool lock. Yeah, pool lock yesterday. So more and go river go take a walk.
Ask me because I can't come.
No. Me know he must hear that one day. No, Jay must hear that one day. How are you do, Mika?
No do nothing.
How are you doing, Mika? Oh, Mika say you have your woman.
No? Blood clot, TikTok police are telling me something there, my mother, but I don't know.
That man they can't talk about his mother. You might cousin.
Gone over there.
That the man they can't talk about their mother. Tell people to name out their mother because they deal with their mother like a piece of shit. The man they can't talk about people mother. You see me?
TikTok police, I'm going to tell you something. My water no stop on hill. My water no stop on hill, my boy. My water flow currently. My water no stop on hill, my boy. Yeah, better know that. That's the first thing. First thing, my water no stop on blood clot hill. And watch out. Me sure no you can't do that in your blood clot house. Cause if a ras clot do that, your house tumble and mash down. Batty boy. Me know you can't blood clot do that. And boy, me have Wi-Fi. I have Wi-Fi. I don't put on blood clot service. I bet you over your blood clot live I try class me and I be a see. Jayden about it. Boy. Stick. King Jayden. So cool. Oh Jayden. But the boy Jayden. With your blood clot, freezy Wi-Fi, Batman, KFC Wi-Fi, pussy. Move a blood clot, look a hungry belly boy. Suck good boy. Bling a toilet. Bling a go-go. Bling a go-go. Batman, you can't even buy a blood clot, sell food, pussy. Go suck out your mother, look a boy. You know nobody, man? You're big man, and me a young youth, and me have more things than your boy. You know, no ambition, boy. Every bumbo clot, you want go blood clot, party. But you want blood clot, promote party. All big waste, man. You can blood clot, have nice woman in a ras clot house, and go on a bumbo clot party with man. You know, see a fuck man, batty boy. You know, see a man fuck you in your body, look a big stinking batty boy. Who is you? Eh? Who is blood clot, you TikTok police? Who is you? Boy, go suck out your mama, man. I want to you, boy. You don't even have no blood clot background. You don't even have no blood clot bedded. You don't even have no ras clot. Hey boy, come out of a ras clot shop, look a shopkeeper, look a Batman. In your blood clot, the whole car. Your car can't even go blood clot, Ochi. My car go Ochi and come back, I don't need no gas. Better know that. With a fucking old junk bed car, you come and size up. You don't even have no blood clot bed foot. You see your blood, your bed there grown like blood clot, like a Chinese you live. Eh? You don't see that? You don't even have Ras clot, AC, Ras. You don't even have TikTok, you can't size up with me. You're a lily boy. Annie says she want back a bumbuckler TV. Annie says she want back a TV. Annie want back the TV, boy. Annie need back the TV. Annie need back the TV, TikTok police. I'll be a special drink look a batty boy. And that's why Annie see your blood clot hood can't turn up. She have a bumbuckler suck off your nipple for your blood clot hood turn up look old batty man. You know, she say no love woman. That boy with him blood clot foot and he heel back a crack off, a drop off. Big young boy, and your blood clot something there drop off. You feel like Jayden wash outside? Jayden wash outside, you know. Jayden do not wash outside. Jayden no shit in a bucket outside. Jayden now if you go up there so go order water if you go bathe. Although Jayden no bathe. Anyways, but you don't understand what I say. Jayden have toilet. Anymore? We done with you now. We done with you. Just like how your host done with you. We done with you. Batman. Let me add him blood clot. Let me add him. Pussy clot. Suck out your mama look a big stinking dirty Batman. Big stinking suckwood boy. You suckwood like brief. Dirty dog shit. Miss bling a go-go. Miss bling a toilet. Miss bling a burn away. Miss bling a shit in a plate.
Well, my people, I'm not going to tell you no lie still, you know. The car don't look too bad still, you know. It don't look too bad, you know what I mean? Because as a young youth, any vehicle will have a little looks. It no matter if you try to have a small little looks, you know what I mean? You want to cop that and drive around in that. You see me? As long as girl now go frown up to come in the vehicle, you see me? But you don't know say a crown and them type of car there around the place and one of them the lion man have, so you can't size up on the lion man, you will get shame because you will go on the lion man car can buy about how much a few car. So how you feel? People make watch some more.
So good boy, long head boy. You mean no go that's one blood clot shit. I carry that. Look, I really care that you're hype with, boy. And that you really are hype with. Boy, see crown the pussy. See crown the body, boy. Suck good boy. Stink belly, boy. Look on blood clot crown pussy. Look pan crown, Batman. Come suck up more, look a big stinking fish. Me know say goodly one suck up the white thing them off from my blood clot, but the old Batman, bring a toilet, bring a ras clot shit house, bring a stinking dog shit, bring a no stop fucking everybody and use you. Bring a fucking everybody and dump you look a Batman. Come suck up more the big stinking dirty shit. Shit in a plate, shit in a bed, blood clot, bring a I'm here, myself. What you say? What you say?
Blood clot, alien looking pussy hole, yeah.
Alien looking pussy hole. And me look better than you look so good boy. Me look, I carry that. That the carry that way I show, that carry that can't go blood clot. Notice, you no carry that. I really carry that your blood clot show. I carry that Batman. Big stinking TikTok arm go-go. Miss bring a go-go. Miss bring a toilet. Miss bring a no stop shit in your belly and shit in your mouth. If you cut out your blood clot belly and miss bring a pussy we see in the Batman. So good waste boy. Go near mouth your mama look a big stinking dirty cruff. You have blood clot 32 and I have no blood clot good house. You know see so you want dirty cruff batty boy. Mind the page. Mind the page got the page, the page got the page. The page got the page. Sorry, the page. The page. The page. Sorry. Sorry. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys.
People them who are in the relationship are always at the fuckery. I want to keep it real with yourself. Your relationship can't not there so, but your people them at the fuckery and people see them at the fuckery and tell you back. It doesn't have to be on the media. So keeping a relationship private or not private, once people know you're at the fuckery, it's still a go fucking bother you. Enough of them people I wanna sit on TikTok and say, oh, my life is so private. This bitch gotta be going on and on about a baby mother will just pop up on her after 3 fucking years and her man have a 4 or 5 year old pitney that she knew nothing about. And her life was private. And a lot of people go through that. She never put her business on the media. Nobody knows anything about her. She get up and she go to work at daytime. So, me can't say this. Missy People, honestly, come here again. We're going to use this as an example. Maya and TJ has been on the media how long? Before them talk about them being in a relationship until them talking about they're in a relationship. But the one thing I can say about the two of them, they support each other. So you see, even if a girl come right now, come bring down Maya, the whole internet are going to marry up. You know why? Because TJ put it out there that he supports Maya. And if them come for TJ, Maya defend her man. So if somebody if you come out and nowhere, yeah, some people gonna call TJ wicked, but at the end of the day, our stand and our day in our people face, they support each other. So if you live up on the media, it can work out if you want to work out, and then it go back to how much you choose to share. You can't share a little bit and everybody think that is all. You share enough, I still a problem. And let me tell you, I don't know about not retro media part, something of them, but we can tell about TikTok. Once they hate you for everything. Once them not like one something about you, them start hate everything about you. So no matter what you do, them already hate you. Most people don't like me, and it starts off with, our mouth too loud. And because of that, Our loud mouth where them couldn't stand. Them start eat the pitney them. They start eat the man. Them start eat how she carry herself. Them eat her cause she got the body. Them and all the hate just built up more and more and more. And most of these people who say they hate K, when it start up, me not like her mouth too loud.
Alright, some people we're gonna watch some of this and then we're gonna end it, you know what I mean? Cause the video, how much minutes you know? Oh, we can watch more, man. You know, reach away. You watch some people.
Is that me not like her cause she go on too hype. Me not like her cause me not like how she dress. Her body lean, her this, her that. Because it started her from something. So everything that I do bothers them. And I do understand what it is. These are the ones where me can't take. I'm going to tell you something. You have these two ex-friends. I used to make me split justice when it's split justice. You have two ex-friends of the Our Lady. I don't remember what their name, you know. But every time me make a comment and them see me Our Lady, I go at it, them come in my comment section. I am not a fan of K, but me like this. Bitch, don't like me. If you're not a fan of me, don't like me. When you see it on screen recording, you can say what you want to say. What don't come from my page? Because you and the girl and a friend. Yeah, me tell you how no disgusting. Yeah, Our Lady and a friend. But you not like me, but you want to comment over yourself? You not make no blood clot. Girl, don't come and go suck your mother. Obviously, you know like me or Our Lady. What you do over yourself? When me can go build your own page, carry down the girl and comment this, sir. Me not understand certain things you wanna do. You don't like Our Lady and you don't like me. Now the two of we alone and go suck your mother. It's that simple. A girl and then in our comment section. I do what? Yeah, I'll even agree with them. I go up on the phone and say, me hate the girl less, but I choose she attack and the argument done. When me I do in your comment section to actually write out, I am not a fan of you, but I choose you. You don't need to say nothing to me, pussy, you don't like me. You and the girl was friend. So anybody you see I go against Our Lady, you jump up. Leave me Our Lady make a blood clot war. Just like our president say, this is not Vanny war, a citizen marriage war. I know Vanny war, we not answer Vanny. I just say truth. Well, Vanny ever married? Vanny have no papers? It is not her war, but I don't know her. She want to stay relevant and do something. So I don't really fear her war. She don't need to come here so now. Going back to body. I just said truth. We don't need to answer her. This is not her category. This is not your category. So me and Our Lady a war, make me and Our Lady war. Happy done one day, but I no fear one. And if anybody ever put them thoughts pan, me and Our Lady fine, but not you. Not you. You're still on the app looking for a younger version of whosoever me and Our Lady date. You're not in the category. Because you don't date nothing over 22. You know, date not big enough for absence. We can't war with Vanny, but man, because Vanny not date no boy what have more sense than her. With that kind of work out good, but me don't want them level a little boy there. More rather want big man of age like me take me for fool more than a little fucking boy when me could have box done. So no. That coming like a your son or could have be a little brother where you have a mentor. It shows your mentality small if you have to only date people who are younger than you all the time. We never see you go older, always younger. Them always look slow and all of the things them. Seems like you're looking at playmate. So no, this war is not for you. So for the people them in the back, where I say, oh, you have strength for Our Lady. This is me and Our Lady fight. First of all, let me make this clear. Our Lady was the first person who made a video. So I made back a video because I am that petty like Our Lady. Our Lady do anything at all to keep herself relevant. You know what? Let me jump on the trend. Like Our Lady. Who don't know? Our Lady ain't gonna come and me no come back. We don't care who I win from, who not win from, who I say this from, who not say that. Fuck it. She made a post, I made a post. She make two, I make two. And the argument done. This is the next part of me here too. If we had a TikTok war, make it the TikTok war. We want to reach TikTok war, people call policeman people and this and that. You see me? You don't need all of that. As much as I may attack everything, as much as I can't stand Tiki and him balls drop out yesterday. I never think it fair for them kind of police for him. A TikTok argument and TikTok fuckery, it never have to reach this, but to each his own. You can't tell nobody what to feel or feel they do them hurt at them something. If the people that feel like them have to take him down with the cops, I just saw me personally would not do it. A TikTok war, a TikTok cuss. You don't really need to go no further than that. We watch your friend them dead on TikTok, bro. We watch your friend them dead on TikTok. We watch Naya dead. We watch Bossed gone, bro. So if a TikTok argument, who vex and cuss and block one another, you don't need to go no further than that. When I say Tiki and I learn, I don't give a fuck about blood clot Tiki. Say certain things not fear happen. Me not like no we take away people freedom and their life. It's not that serious. When the door come full of my comment section about Tiki. If one more somebody write something about Tiki, make any bumble blood clot live. I'm just show the example of things like certain things we do on TikTok. We cuss and we done and we gone. You know, I forget physical with nothing. Tiki across this, you know, well we know this, you know.
Alright, my people, so Kay never call the name, she say Our Lady. So me I want them to know who is Our Lady. So me I go tell you now. Me I go say allegedly. You see me I say? Because Our Lady can be anybody at all. So listening to what Kay is saying, someone to pick it up, but for the ones them who don't pick it up, I mean I left for no in the dark. Allegedly Our Lady is Rochelle. You see, because from one day, when Kay did go give her some advice about when she come on the internet and I said the youth hungry and yeah, from that them no good. She a drop out for Our Lady a drop out for her. So yeah, make we watch some more.
But not because I don't care what none of one say. But I don't want to call the name about the worst somebody will ever come on the media. Where's a tranny? And there's somebody there. Father got me now call no name or no know. Nobody no beat that. Nobody at all no beat that. That are the worst girl boy we ever see.